Everyone thinks the best-selling air fryer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Casari Turbolaze. First up is the Casari 9-in-1 Turbolaze air fryer. Priced at $99.99, what caught my eye was its 6-quart capacity and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 19,800 reviews. If you want perfectly crispy meals with a side of convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Turbolaze technology runs a 3,600 RPM fan and reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees F, which means you can enjoy crispy meals quickly. The 90 degrees 450 degrees F temperature control ensures even cooking, so no more burnt edges or soggy spots. And let's not forget the PFAS-free ceramic coating. With 95% less oil used compared to traditional frying, you can indulge guilt-free. Now, some people complained about its size, noting it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for two, the extra capacity can be a blessing for meal prepping or entertaining. It's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you love hosting or meal prepping for the week. Skip this one if you have limited counter space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight spaces. Let's check it out. Product number 2, Tasti-Crisp. Next is the Tasti-Crisp Digital Air Fryer, a compact option priced at $49.99. With a 2.6-quart capacity and a 4.5-star rating from nearly 8,000 reviews, this one is designed for those who want space-saving convenience without sacrificing taste. If you're looking for a compact air fryer that doesn't hog your counter space, this is worth a serious look. The AirCrisp technology allows you to cook with little to no oil, which means you can enjoy your favorite fries and nuggets without the guilt. The adjustable temperature ranges from 200 degrees F to 400 degrees F, so you can easily customize your cooking. Plus, it has a quick heat-up feature, making it a fast go-to for busy weeknights. The auto shut-off function adds safety, which is really important when you have a lot going on in the kitchen. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit challenging to clean due to its small size. But honestly, it's still dishwasher safe, so if you don't mind a little extra effort, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or RV. Skip this one if you frequently cook for more than 2 people. It's a great value for the price though. Now, if the size of the Casari bothered you, this next one is even more compact. Product number 3, Chefman Mini Air Fryer. Now let's talk about the Chefman 2QT Mini Air Fryer, which is priced around $42.48. With 29,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this is another great choice for 2 people. If you're after a small but powerful air fryer, this is worth a serious look. It also has a digital touchscreen display, letting you adjust the cooking time and temperature up to 400 degrees F. The shake notifications remind you to flip your food halfway through, ensuring even crispiness. Plus, with little to no oil needed, you can enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Some users did mention that the 2-quart capacity can be limiting for certain meals. But look, if you're cooking for just 2, this size is often perfect for quick dinners or snacks. This is perfect for you if you want a compact air fryer that can fit in any kitchen. Skip this if you plan to entertain larger groups often. It's a great value for quick and healthy meals. Alright, that was a strong contender. But if you want something with a bit more capacity, let's see the next one. Product number 4, Chefman 4QT Air Fryer. Moving on, we have the Chefman Air Fryer, priced at $57.97. With a capacity of 4 quarts and a 4.6-star rating from over 3,200 reviews, this one is ideal for those who want slightly more room without breaking the bank. If you want an air fryer that can handle larger meals while still being compact, this is definitely worth a serious look. It features high-fry technology that can crank the heat up to 450 degrees F for the last 2 minutes of cooking, giving your food that extra crunch you crave. The multiple preset functions take the guesswork out, and its sleek design makes it easy to store. Plus, the automatic shutoff keeps your kitchen safe while you're busy doing other things. However, some buyers reported that the non-stick coating can wear off over time. I'll be real with you, this can happen with many air fryers. Just take care of it and it should serve you well for years. This is perfect for you if you want more cooking options and capacity. Skip this if you prefer something super compact. For the price and features, it's an excellent value. Now, if you want something that can do even more than just air fry, let's take a look at the next option. Product number 5, Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Finally, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 priced at $69.99. With a 4.5-star rating and over 71,800 reviews, this air fryer is more than just a fryer. It can bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and reheat. If you want a multifunctional appliance that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable temperature ranges from 95 degrees F to 400 degrees F, allowing for precise cooking whether you're looking for gooey cinnamon rolls or crispy chicken wings. The Even Crisp technology ensures that your food comes out evenly cooked with a crunch without all the extra oil. It's compact yet capable, making it a great addition to your kitchen without taking up too much space. One downside is that it might take a bit to get used to the app controls for custom programs. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it really opens up your cooking possibilities. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different cooking methods. Skip this if you want something that's straightforward and just an air fryer. It offers fantastic value for all its capabilities. In conclusion, whether you need a compact option like the Dash or a multifunctional powerhouse like the Instant Pot, there's an air fryer here for everyone. So to recap, the Casari is great for larger meals, Dash is perfect for small spaces, Chefman offers speed and simplicity, Chefman's 4QT is versatile, and the Instant Pot is a multi-cooker dream. Whatever your needs, there's an air fryer here that can meet them.